replacing the battery on this 2019 Chevy Silverado. Assuming it's the same for 19 to 2024. So you want to remove these bolts that hold down the battery. So one on this side on the frame, and then this one you could kind of just loosen it out and get it out the way. Right. Take the cover off. Has two clips on each side, and then you need a 10 to loosen out the terminals. So this one's already loose. I had loosened it already. It just comes off, and if you have any metal jewelry on, like rings, take it off. If you short out to ground, you're gonna get your finger cut off. This one, this little clip comes in like this, so you want to snap the red one out with your nail and then push down and out. Same thing, you want to loosen out the terminal plug. A 10 mil deep socket works. And then this one, this casing right here, it kind of just snaps in with the battery on the sides. So there's like a little clip right here. You kind of got to like pull out on this side, and then same on this side. You want to pull out and then up to be able to take it off. It's kind of on the front side too. So come out this side. It's kind of hard. This is probably the hardest part, to be honest. And on this side, you can get a screwdriver if you want, or you can do it by hand. There you go. This thing snapped in again. There it is. You kind of struggle a little bit, and you just kind of get it out the way. And then this, like I said, you can just maybe turn it back or turn this way. Let me see. It should be good. Okay. Oh, there's another bracket. Oh no, you gotta push it to the front. Yeah, so there's another hold on bracket down here. So yeah, there's another bracket down there. Looks like a 13 that you gotta loosen out to push the battery away. Yeah, it's a 13. Let me get a extension for the impact. It's kind of deep, but so it's a 13 mil socket. Loosen out the bracket. Okay. So it's this bracket down there that holds it down to the side. And I think that should be it. Yep. Slide off. You kind of gotta fight it a little bit. There's a lot of things in the way. Try to get this stuck. There you go, right there. This bracket too. That's it. And then just get the new one in and just go backwards, repeat the process. So let's put it on real quick. I'm just gonna speed up the video. Right here, you just want to make sure you push down all the way so it clips on again. You don't want this getting or moving around when you're driving. So that's pretty good. I mean, if you pull up on it, it should be in. See right there, and then same thing. Hook this back in. Push the red clip back in, and then just make sure you tighten down your terminals. And be careful, you don't want to short out to the frame. Because that'll be a good one. That'll be a good spark. Trailer tight. You don't want to kill him. Just enough. Don't want to break anything. And then do our negative. Don't get scared. It's going to spark a little bit when you throw it on. It's normal. And you're going to hear your truck. All the relays start to click. It's normal. Make sure it goes all the way down. You might have to wiggle it a little bit. That's it. Just put the cover back on. Make sure it clips in. That's it. Everything's in.